Hi everybody! In this video, I'll show you how to make a wreath base from natural materials. Come and join me on this creative journey. All you need is a flexible whip. I use hazel, some hay, and a string. The whip used for the base should be fresh so it doesn't break when bent into a circle. First, gently bend it, then twist it into a ring. The size of the ring is up to you. The smaller the ring, the thinner the whip should be so it bends more easily. Once the circle is roughly shaped, tie it with string so it doesn't come apart. Wrap the string all the way around the wooden base. It'll make it stronger and help it hold its shape. Once you wrap the string all the way around, tie it tightly. If the circle isn't perfectly shaped, adjust it a little with your hands. Be careful not to break the whip. The wooden base is now ready for the next step. First, add some extra string, as you'll need it for wrapping the hay around the wooden base. Start by adding the hay. I hold the hay with my left hand and wrap the string with my right, moving to the left so I don't get in the way. Add an even layer of hay all around the wooden base. Spread the hay evenly over the wooden base, then gently wrap a string around it to hold it in place. At first, it may not look very pretty, but as time goes on, the wreath base slowly begins to take its proper shape. When you run out of string, simply add a bit more. As you wrap the string around the wreath base for the second time, keep the loops close together and pull them slightly tighter to give the base a neat, firm shape. Once we're satisfied that the hay is evenly in place, we tie the string. If necessary, gently reshape the wreath base with your hands so that it's as round as possible. The wreath base now just needs a little trim, like a quick visit to the hairdresser. With scissors, carefully snip off the extra hay stems. The wreath base is complete and ready for the next stage. It's time to add fir, cypress, moss, or other natural touches to bring it to life. Thanks so much for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future uploads.